Just driven out to this waterfall called Keld. Joe's laughing at me for vlogging.
In Keld?
In Keld. We're not really meant to camp. Anyway, James, can you dive in this bit? Should we dive in? Okay, ready? I'm going to dive in. Yeah, I know. Yes. Look at that golden light. It's hard to swim and do this. Should we open our eyes under the water? Yeah, go on, James, I'll get a video. Go on, man. Go on, mate. Yeah, go on. Go on, man. Hey! We've also just bumped into these two guys which are here. Come on then, James. So lucky that we found this. Oh, that was close. We'll go back to swimming actually. I can't go! Oh, it comes. Oh, it's on me! Can I probably dive in, can't I? Hold it like, I'll try and hold it like that. Alright, and then I'm just gonna like dive in. Woo! I opened my eyes and you can actually see underwater.